Hello everyone. Let's have a look at the XAUUSD gold chart. And as we all know, gold gave us a nice bearish move in the past 14 to 15 days, followed by a sharp bullish impulsive rally, which is actually now looking as a retracement of the previous rally. But if you look at the charts closely, and if you switch to the 4-hour time frame, the first thing that we can notice on the charts is this red zone is actually where institutional sell-off began in the chart of gold. And if you observe closely and if you mark out this trend using Fibonacci, you will notice that this zone is in correspondence with Fibonacci's golden ratio, and price is at a premium in this zone. This is a very interesting point because there can be a sell-off from here. So I personally was intercepting three kinds of price action which can take place here. First, that the price can consolidate here for many days, and then there can be a breakout. Second, there can be a consolidation for fewer days, and then there can be a reversal, which was more possible. And third was a sharp impulsive bearish move from this zone. Now, I actually was anticipating the third one, and I even made a video on that, but I was not able to upload it. But anyways, uh, you cannot trade anything unless price reveals the course of path. So if you just look at the charts and you plug in the RSI indicator while you are analyzing the third possibility, the first thing that you can notice is that there is a good momentum divergence on the hourly time frame. Even on the 4 hourly time frame, there is a good momentum divergence here, um, followed by a good bearish Marubozu candle. And if you just switch to the 15 minutes time frame, you can notice that there is a very steep move with good Bollinger Band expansions happening, uh, actually divergence happening. And I personally would have entered this trade at the end of this candle, at the closing of this candle, and would have marked out a stop as long as this swing high, and would have targeted for the same length of this candle at least, if not more. But I was a little late in entering this trade. uh, I entered this trade personally somewhere over here after price broke this swing low. If you just switch to the 4 hourly time frame, I entered somewhere over here, I believe. uh, Wait a second, somewhere over here, and then I wrote this all the way down, and I booked my profit somewhere over here. Let me just show you the trade I took in my MT5 account. I'm currently using a different account because the other broker showed me some liquidity issues. Anyways, I'll give you the login ID and password for this one as well. So I took the trade somewhere over here, and I booked my profit somewhere over here. And the reason why I was able to book my profit somewhere over here was I marked out these zones on the daily time frame and on the weekly time frame. And if you ask me for further analysis of gold, there can be three possibilities from here. Either the price can give a consolidation between these two ranges, which is rare, which in my opinion is not going to happen because this bearish move is as strong as this bearish move, and there has been no retracement as of yet. So either there can be a good bullish engulfing tomorrow, then we can expect some consolidations in the future, or we are going to break this swing low. The moment we break this swing low, the second target will automatically be 2500 something, which I already told in my previous video that the second profit booking zone for a good swing trade in gold will be somewhere near 2500. Actually, this was the first profit booking zone, uh, and the second profit booking zone will be 2440. If you're looking for buying in gold in the long term, I would personally buy gold in this green zone, because this is actually, if you just mark this trend out, let me just show you. If you mark this impulsive trend out using Fibonacci, you will notice that price is finally at a discount in this zone. So at least below 2400 I'm interested in buying gold in the long run. The reason why I'm saying that is because you can clearly see that there is a good bearish move happening on the weekly charts. If price breaches this swing low, which has been formed on the weekly moving average, if price breaches this swing low, it will be going for the lower Bollinger Bands. You can bet on this will be happening. So either we will reach over here 2400, or we will reach somewhere over here. In my opinion, we will at least touch this much, or even further we can go this much. There can actually be a wick which goes as long as this much, and there can be a lot of institutional buying happening here in gold. So let's see what happens. If we break this swing low, you should be completely bearish on gold. Then you can expect it to touch the lower Bollinger Bands and a good correction can happen. If it does not breaks this swing low, if it does not breaks out through this zone, through this red zone, then there can be consolidations and reversals which can happen from here, which is actually not quite the case as of yet, but we need to wait. So this is the analysis of gold from my side. Thank you everyone.